Well, I thought I'd fill you in on a short video. Um, I'm back home. I had my operation Wednesday of this week. It was a success. And now I'm just taking about another week of just recuperating. I won't be able to pick anything up for at least 2 or 3 weeks that's heavier than 16 pounds. And that's going to be something I have to watch. But my life is almost back to normal again. I am going to have to go through some rehab at some point in the future. And but other than that, I'll be back into sculpting as quickly as I can. I'm planning on taking off next week, but I may change my mind because I'm really dying to get back to my clay. But I thought I'd let you know that everything's a-okay, as President Trump would do, right on there and whatever. Anyway, all right, everybody, I'm going to take my groceries upstairs. I just got back from grocery shopping, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling really good. All right, everybody have a great day and a great weekend, and I'll see you when I see you.